Hello, so this is CSS Battles, and today I'll be showing you how to build this fork here with HTML and CSS. And I'm hoping to do this more on my channel. I would most likely create a series for this, but for today I'll be building this, and the title of this fork is Forking Crazy. So yeah, I'll be showing you my process of building this from scratch. This is the editor. If you're not familiar with CSS Battle, this is the editor. This is my result here, and this is the target. Okay, with all of that being said, let's start. Um, okay, so how do I start? Well, the first thing is I'm going to give this body a background color of this. Great. And with that in place, I can give this a class of fork. And how exactly am I going to position this? Okay, so for the fork, I'm going to give this a width of 300 pixels. Is that a stretch? Feels like a stretch. I'll give this a height of 400 pixels. I'll give this a background color of this. I think I'm just going to give this a variable because I'm going to use it in a couple of places. I'm just going to use C. So for the background color, C. Oh, great. Well, this looks like a stretch. 300 pixels, so maybe 200, and maybe 200 also. And then I want to position this at the bottom, so display flex, flex direction. Come on, and align items center. Okay. This is not what I want actually. Justify content center. What do I want though? Align items flex end. So justify content flex end. Come to the bottom. Come on. What am I doing wrong? I don't even know what I'm doing. Align items center, brings it to the center like this. Yes. Okay, I can leave you like this. So for the fork, and then I'm giving you a margin top of 30 pixels. Let me see. Okay, maybe 40 pixels. 45, 42. Yeah, 42 makes sense. Then for the bottom, oh, that was almost perfect. Nice. So for the width, this feels so much. So for the width, I'll give you 150. Okay, 120 then. 130. 135. Okay, more like it. Yeah, maybe 136. Okay, great, 136. Okay, now that the fork is in place, then I want to add the fork handle. So I'll give this after content empty. I'll give this relative. Give this absolute, and the handle can be 20 pixels, I guess. The heights maybe 40 pixels. Background color, I'll use yellow first to ensure that everything shows, and bottom 0. Okay, so where is the handle, and why are you not showing? Where is the handle? Where are you, handle? the position absolute, I have the content, I have the width, the height, background color. Does this have anything to do with the Z index? It doesn't. So what's happening? Well, I think instead of depending on that, because I don't know why that is not working, I'll give this handle if yes. Oh, I see why it's not working. I am trying to use SCSS when this is just CSS. Okay, yeah, I understand. So I'll do this instead after. But there should be a way to use SCSS in code battles though. I'll figure that out afterwards. Now I see why you're not working. So, yep. Where are you? Oh, I'm still doing the same thing. Okay, so this is the handle here, and so the handle is going to be minus 40 pixels. For the height, I give you 50 pixels, so you can 50 pixels like this, and then I'll position you at the center. Margin auto, great. Oh, that was perfect. Okay, and now I can give you the color of the background. Nice. So for this, I feel like all of these are boxes with border radius, which are 3 boxes here. But before that, let me give this fork a border radius. So a border, I'm going to give these variables because I like variables. So I'm going to say bottom radius should be, I don't know, 50 pixels is a stretch. And then for the top radius, this feels like 10 pixels. So border bottom left radius. No, this is too long, so I'll just give this BR and TR. So this is BR. Border bottom right radius. Then border top right radius and border top left radius. So this is going to be TR and TR. Okay, so this looks small, so I can just change this. Okay, well, maybe 65. Ah, nice. Okay, 65 works. Then as for you, I think that also works. Okay, then time to get the rectangles in it. So in this fork here, I'm going to have 3 divs with a class of, what do I call this? Fork middle, maybe. So I give this a fork middle, and yeah, this is 3 and 3. So down here, fork middle is going to have a width of, I think this is almost the width as the handle, which is 20 pixels. It's going to have a background color of this, and it's going to have a height of, I can start with 50 pixels. Oh, great. So this fork is going to have flex, and it's going to have a justify content of space between. Nice. And it's going to have a padding of 20 pixels. Great. Yeah, I'm getting there. So this has a height, so this height looks small, and for the padding, I don't want the padding on the vertical, I want it only on the horizontal. Yes. And this is going to have a height of 80, 90, 100, what? 120 then? 110? Okay, 110 looks nice. But why is my box big? Well, I think I know why. Because of box sizing. Yeah, you're right. I'm almost there. And so the fork middle has a border radius of um, 20 pixels. Does that work? Doesn't look nice. 25. Oh, 20 pixels actually looks nice. So I think this should also be 20 pixels. No, doesn't work. So 20 pixels, and you also need to go up a bit by 10 pixels. And if you're going up a bit, then it means I have to also stretch you here. Okay. So this is this, but there is one problem. How do I make the edges also curved? Well, I think that this is not the best approach for this. So I think they're going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I think they're going to be fork 7. And instead of calling this middle, so I'll call this the fork. What I call this fork edge. So this is the fork middle, the fork edge, the fork middle, the fork edge. Nope, fork edge, fork middle, fork edge, fork middle, fork edge, fork middle, and then there is one last fork edge. Yes, and I'm going to remove this padding, and so the fork middle, the fork edge, and the fork middle have a width of 20 pixels. Yes, and I am going to, so for the fork edge, okay, so the fork edge and the fork middle has they also have the same border radius, they have the same height, and they have, so the fork edge has a background color of C, and so I don't need this margin top anymore, and this can be 110 pixels. Or do I? I think I do. Yeah. So what's missing? What is missing? What's missing? Okay, I think I see what is missing. So this is going to be the fork top, and this is going to be, oh no, this won't work. So this is going to be the fork, and then I'm going to have the fork top, class fork top, yeah, fork top, fork top. So this is going to be the fork top, and this is going to be the fork bottom. Yeah, and leave. So I'm going to have all of this in the fork top, and yeah, I'll leave the fork bottom. So now I have to make some edits here. So this is going to be the fork bottom, and this is going to be the fork, it is going to be the fork bottom. Oh man, I have a lot of adjustments to do here. So the fork bottom is going to have all of this. Yes, and it's also going to have the position relative, and it's also going to have the background color. Then it's going to have the same width, but the height is going to be 100 pixels. Oh man, yeah, this thing just cut that. Then this is going to be the fork top with display flex. Yeah, just what I wanted. And yeah, it's also going to have a height of, I don't know, 100 pixels also. Let me see. Does 100 pixels work? No, they don't. So yeah, so I don't need this top thing again. I make you 110, how about 120? How about 130? Wait, are you going down or going up? Oh, I see what's going on. 100 pixels for the bottom is too much, so I'm gonna make you 90 pixels or even 80. Then I make you 120, 130, 120 actually, 110, 115. Oh, now I see what's going on. So this is 110. Yeah, 110 looks just what I want, but the height here needs to also increase, so 90. Yeah, be 55, oh sorry, 45, and I make your height bigger with 55. No, 50. Okay, then there is this. So I think for the fork edge, where are you, fork edge? So for the fork middle, I think you need to have a higher Z index so that you can show nice. But why do you still look lower though? So this is the fork top, and yeah, you need to be like 100, 90. No. But I don't even think you need a height though, do you? Yeah, this is the only thing that needs a height, 100. Yep, so this is 100, 120 or 90. Okay, I see what's going on. So I'll give you 100, but I'm going to take you up a bit, so 20 pixels. Oh, nice. So 30 pixels, 40 pixels. Okay, yeah. Oh, great. But the edge, this height doesn't seem to work. So 110. Oh, great. So I have this. So I have to give the fork bottom an extra height. Whoa, this is taking longer than expected. 60 pixels, 70, 80. This isn't even doing anything. Oh, I was changing the wrong thing. But let's see. So 120, 110. Oh, nice. So I have this, and what's just left is this extra thing at the edge, which means you need a bigger width, I guess. Yeah, 140. Yeah, 140 seems to work, but there's a little change in the bottom. So 66, 67, 68. Awesome. And then I have this fork, and I'm going to submit before my time goes. Submitting 600. Oh, I'm currently using incognito, so I cannot check. So you scored 600. Now I don't know how this is calculated in percentage, but whatever. But to be able to see your history, create a profile. Oh yeah, whatever. So yeah, I just did my own fucking crazy with HTML and CSS, and the point of this is to really show you my process. Is there a way I can prettify this? I don't know how I can prettify it, but the point of this is to show you my process, to show you how to use flags and how I came about the ideas and all of this. So thanks for watching, and see you in my next CSS battle. And if you like this, if you liked seeing my process, kindly let me know in the comments, or you can also pick any CSS battle of your choice for me to pick up. And also leave a like on this video and subscribe to see more. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching.